The summers have arrived in India, and it's important to have a diet, especially during the summers, that will help you keep your body cool from within. One such vegetable is cucumber. This nutritious veggie detoxifies your body and hydrates it from within, and also keeps you fresh and healthy. It has 96% water, which removes toxins from your body and also works as body cleanser, thereby clearing waste products from the body. Although green color cucumbers are most common, but cucumbers can actually come in many different colors, including white, yellow, and even orange. They have a distinct mild melon-like taste and smell due to the presence of aldehydes. Cucumbers contain 96% water. They are ideal for detoxification and preventing dehydration. Cucumbers are rich in phytonutrients and vitamin K. They are also a good source of pantothenic acid and molybdenum. They also contain copper, potassium, manganese, vitamin C, phosphorus, magnesium, and vitamin B1. As cucumbers contain 96% water, consuming cucumbers adds to the daily requirement of water by our body, thus keeping us hydrated. This is helpful especially during summers when we tend to get dehydrated easily. Cucumbers also act as a coolant, providing us relief from the summer heat. Detox water made using cucumber and mint effectively eliminates toxins from the body, improves hydration, and thus results in innumerable health benefits. Cucumbers are a good source of potassium, magnesium, and dietary fiber. These nutrients are known to lower blood pressure, thus reducing the risk of heart diseases. Research has also proved that regular consumption of cucumber juice was helpful in reducing blood pressure in elderly people with hypertension. Cucumbers act as a coolant for our stomach. The soluble fiber in cucumber helps in slowing our digestion. Also, the high content of water in cucumber makes our stool soft, prevents constipation, and keeps our bowel movement regular. Cucumbers are known to reduce blood sugar levels, thus being helpful in the management and prevention of diabetes mellitus. Cucumbers contain 96% of water and are low in calories. There are only 15.5 calories in 100 grams of cucumber. High water and low calorie content of cucumber helps in reducing weight. Cucumbers are great beauty enhancers. They show amazing effects on the skin. The application of cucumber juice on the skin makes it soft and glowing. Anti-inflammatory effects of cucumber naturally lighten our skin and reduce tanning. It also reduces wrinkles and fine lines. Keeping cucumber slices on the eyes for about 10 minutes relaxes our eyes and reduces puffiness around the eyes. The fiber in cucumbers protect from colorectal cancer. Also, cucurbitacins present in cucumber possesses anti-cancer properties. Cucumbers contain silica, which is excellent for hair and nail care. They help in strengthening the nails and prevent them from becoming brittle. Phytochemicals present in cucumber destroy the bacteria in our mouth that causes bad breath. It is best to consume cucumbers unpeeled to prevent loss of some fiber, vitamins, and minerals. These were some of the health benefits of cucumber. Now, let's have a look at some of the downsides. Consuming cucumbers may lead to digestive problems like bloating and flatulence in some people. People with kidney problems should not consume too much cucumber as it can increase the water content and potassium in their body, which is harmful to them. People on blood thinners should not consume too much cucumber as vitamin K in them can make blood clotting further difficult. So now that you know how beneficial adding cucumbers to our daily diet is, I hope you will not miss out on this refreshing veggie. Hope you will find this information on cucumber helpful. So don't forget to hit that like button. If you're someone visiting my channel for the first time, or if you are someone who has not subscribed to my channel yet, consider subscribing it to get regular updates on health and self-care. I share videos in 3 languages, Hindi, Telugu and English, so that this information reaches a wider audience without the language barrier. Take care. See you at RiVaa Foodz.